the Clever Craftsman here, and I've got my Suzuki TS185 pulled out into the shop. It's been sitting here over the winter, of course, so I gave it a bath and shined the chrome up a little bit. And I got a few improvements to make to it here for this upcoming riding season. Need to tidy up the wiring and a little something extra fun. You can check it out. So I've been doing a little work here on the Suzuki, the TS185. Last winter when I restored it, I didn't ever complete the wiring portion of the project and didn't put the turn signals on. So I pulled all the wiring back loose, as I'll show you here. And tidied everything up. And then I installed these new style LED turn signals. I just didn't like the old clunky orange ones. And we no longer had them because my dad had taken them off. But anyways, here's the new LEDs, got those on, and I'm just tidying up the wiring. I cut all this open and got rid of some wires we no longer needed with the new stator system. Added some wires for some cool effects here I'm gonna show you. So I'm gonna finish buttoning this thing up and I'm gonna show you guys what it looks like. There it is, I got it running. Just checking out all the lights. LED backlit gauges. Underglow, an orange underglow on the bike. Gotta have some fun. Anybody else looking forward to doing some riding here as the weather warms up? I know here in Ohio it's been a cold winter. Looking forward to riding this thing. Thanks for tuning in.